Para... Okay na, we will start a simple ceremony.
Okay, smile po, sir.
Sama si parents mo.
Hop step, hop step.
Yan. Tapos dito. Yan. Yung ring burner natin.
Sige, kumilan. I love you. Sige, kilan.
Yun. Laban. Okay.
Smile. Ang hirap pangitiin nito.
Dito na.
Dali, bigay mo na yung sing-sing nila.
Dito lang. Babe. Palakpak naman tayo. Okay. Stop muna po. Yan. Tapos alalayan si ma'am, kunin si ma'am Rehan. Yan. Alalayan mo kayo. Tapos mag-bless ka sa parents. Bless kayo pareha. Yan. Dito po. Yan. Tapos dito, dali mo siya. Parents, yan na lang po kayo ha. Dito. Tayo kayong dalawa. Okay. Sir, puno po kayo. Sa couple ha. Okay, Honor John and Ryan Crisel, you will answer me, I will or I do. May tumututol ba sa kasalang ito? Kasi paalisin natin, no? If there's no objection, you will answer me, I will or I do. Hindi. Okay, Obed John, you will have Ray and Crisel to be your wedded wife to live together according to the law of God in the Holy Spirit of matrimony. Will you love her, comfort her,
Yes.
honor and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keep yourself only to her so long as you would shall live? Okay, Rayan, you will have John to be your wedded husband to live together according to the law of God in the Holy State of matrimony. Will you love him?
I do.
Comfort him.
I do.
Honor and keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keep yourself only to him so long as you would shall live.
I will.
Just to remind everyone of, especially the couple, the two different personality. Man and woman is not easy to become one. Why? Because you have a different perspective in life, different in character, identity, background, everything is different. That is why it's not easy to become one. In your differences, you're always confronted with struggling challenges. But one of the secret of man and woman to stay together in their journey of their marriage life. I believe John and Ray and you have already this is what you call the power of LOBE love. I believe you love each other. That's why we are here. Tama ba? A simple definition of love is like this. Love is gentle. It's not boastful. It bears everything, believes everything. In one of the greatest quotation about love, love it keeps no record of wrong. Remember, couple, we are prone to mistake. Sometimes we commit sin. But if you love each other, everything that is negative or sin done by our loved ones, all of that will be removed by the power of love. So my advice to both of you, please stay and focus on your love. I do not know if you believe in this couple. Some other people outside saying like this, love is blind and love is blind. Parang okay, no? Sa isang banda pwede yun. Pero sa totoong nagmamahal, dapat hindi. Dapat ang pag-ibig hindi bulag, dapat may mata na nakakakita sa lahat ng sitwasyon. Meron siyang tenga na nakikinig sa damdamin, tineng ng bawat mahal niya sa buhay. Isa sa malaking problema ng broken family today, ang lalaki walang pandinig sa asawa niyang babae. At ang babae wala rin pandinig sa asawa niyang lalaki. Dapat hindi mangyari yan sa pagmamahal na meron kayo. Dapat may tenga ang bawat sa inyo para pakinggan ang damdamin ng bawat isa. May kamay ding aabot, may paa para puntahan. Higit sa lahat ng pag-ibig, may puso at damdamin, hindi manhid yan na nasasaktan, pero marunong magpatawad at tumanggap sa katotohanan. That's why love conquer all, love accept all. Sa klaro tayo doon ha. Kaya tayong dalawa. Magharap kayo ngayon, hawakan yung bulaklak, hawakan yung parehas, tingnan isa't isa. Okay, Obed yan, ba't mo pakasalan si Ryan Crisel? Anong dahilan? Palakpak naman. Ayan, so what is the reply?
Mahal ko po siya. Tell that to us
Oh.
first.
Take that, this feeling to signifies the loyalty of your heart. Pakibaba mo na yan. Sa kaliwang kamay mo suot, ha? Sabi mo rin, Priscilla. In token and pledge of the vow made between us, with this ring, I marry you. Okay. Sa kaliwang kamay. Obed John, kaliwa.
Pabet siya.
In token
Ito.
and pledge of the vow made between us,
Make between us.
with this ring,
With this ring.
I marry you.
I marry.
Okay. Have a seat for a while. Mahawak ako. Just to remind the couple about the wedding ring, ha? Okay. Ang sing-sing, sinusuot talaga yun sa kaliwang kamay. Kasi kung pag-uusapan natin ang puso ng tao sa bahagi ng ating katawan, you will discover, couple, the biggest part is on the left side. It means love. Naman ito, isang bad news, isa lang yung kwenta. I believe lahat ng tinuran nyo, totoo.
Sige po, harap po tayo sa kanya. Sige po, friend.
Compress
Okay,
na po.
1, 2, 3. Smile po. Smile na po. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, pero si Rian sa isa't isa, hindi ibig sabihin ina-abandon. Magbigay respeto. Kung yung blessing ulit, magmano yakapin sila. Pag naman, no? Diyan, dito ko naman, doon naman si... Couple, may sasabihin bang parang salamat sa kanila? Ikaw muna dyan, isisiyante yung parang salamat sa parents at sa ang gano'n?
Kung papasalamat ko kasi kahit support ang process sa amin. Kasi, tsaka sa mama ni sila. Salamat ako. At tito, tita, salamat po. Kasi, hindi lang ako kilala sa atin.
Rian, ikaw naman.
Po kasi, hindi siya nagkasama after ni Papa. Sa tito ko, kasi kahit wala si Papa, andyan po siya. Sa mga in-laws ko po kay Mama at Papa kasi tinanggap po nila ako, mahal po nila ako as their own daughter din po. Ayun lang po.
At lifetime. Hindi naman natapos sa ganitong scenario yun eh. Pero ang pinakamalagay yung load nyo po talaga ng gusto ha. Kasi may magtitik. And I believe gusto nyo humabang buhay nyo. Tama ba? And to those who are my boys right now, bininig to ni God, John at Crisel. Sabi ni God, mga anak, sundin ang magulang upang humaba ang buhay. So tip number 1, if we want to prolong our life, obey our parents. Thank you very much. Balik na po